Hey, this is Rico Glover, digital retail manager here at Ben Mined in Concord. Actually, getting ready to give you an update on one of the most asked questions right now in this market. How do I get the best rates? I know we're getting a lot of questions. As a matter of fact, I can hear my representatives out there on the phones right now answering your phone calls. As a matter of fact, let me give you the phone number if you need more information after this video: 704-260-7161. That's 704-260-7161, 704-260-7161. And let me just check the volume levels real quick. Make sure we're good to go on that. All right, we're good to go on that. So once again, one of the hottest questions in this marketplace right now, with the changes, what's the best loan rates out there available? I'm gonna go over that. What's currently, as of today's date, 11/29/2023, and then also show you some options that you could possibly take advantage of right now. So no need to talk another further. Let's go. So starting off, let me go right here. And of course, if you need more information, you'll be able to go to these websites as well. We've got four brands, three websites. So I'm gonna break down a little information on the three websites. So right now, let me click on Ben Mined Buick.net. That's Ben Mined Buick.net. So as you can see right here, 1.9 APR. Plus you got some options of $1,250 purchase allowance. Now I've actually got one that's a little lower than that, so I'll go over that as well. So stick to this video. I've got one lower than 1.9. Yes, lower than 1.9. So 1.9, that's on the Buick SUVs. On Sierra or Terrain models, we got 1.9 APR, $500 purchase allowance. So that's available as well. $1,000 member only incentive. If you're part of Costco, if you're like me, you like to save some money. If you're part of Costco, you get $1,000 member only incentive. 0.9 APR, well qualified buyers, 2023 GMC Sierra 1500. You heard me right. 0.9 APR for well qualified buyers. Or you can also get your purchase allowance. 1.9 for Terrains. So that's on the Buick GMC side. Yep. Let's go here. Ben Mined Cadillac. And once again, I'll include the links to these as well. And we've got a great tool, and I'll show you that as well, that you can actually do 90% of the information gathering right on the website without even having to speak to someone first, and then just call to schedule your VIP appointment. So let's see, 2.9 APR, Cadillac XT5s and XT6s. That's what it looks like, XT5s and XT6s. So you have that available. You got special lease payment options. This is a brand new XT5 luxury SUV lease. You're looking at $469 a month, only $469. 2.9, you've got for vehicles plus an additional $500 purchase allowance. Is either, sometimes it's added, but most of the times it's either or. And then let's go to Chevy. So looking at Chevrolet 1.9, you got Silverados, 1.9 on the Silverados. Let's go back a little bit. Click the wrong button. Hold tight. And I'll show you once again that tool is built in where you can explore your lease, your payment, your cash options. 1.9, we've got that as well. On the Equinox, you get $1,000 member only incentive. Once again, Costco is partnered up again with Chevrolet, so $1,000 member only incentive. And then, of course, with the EVs, now I do have, and once again, when you schedule your VIP appointment, they'll be able to go over the options if it qualifies or not. But I've got currently two EVs on the lot. I've got a Bolt, and then I've got the all new Blazer EV that's available, and some of these are give you an allowance up to 7,500. Now, once again, when you schedule a VIP appointment, they'll be able to tell you which ones do that, but you got your allowances on your EVs. And on all of the brands that I just showed you, we've got the limited lifetime warranty. What that basically covers is your engine, transmission. If anything happens to it, if you got 1,000 miles on it or 1,000,000 miles on it, as long as you've taken it into a GM authorized dealer, did your regular maintenance, which of course you want to do. It's kind of like saying, I'm not going to take a shower. You have to do those things just to keep your vehicles well maintained. So you do that, and then we do a free inspection every like 30,000 miles just to kind of catch anything in case something happens, 30,000 miles. But you can get that done at the regular maintenance at any GM certified GM dealership in the country. And then once again, every 30,000 miles for our free inspection to handle that. And what that will do is that covers you with the engine and transmission. More details when you go onto the site. You can click on here and you can see that. And then what I wanted to show you is how easy it is. Now, this is on all the sites. So let's say, for example, you're looking at this vehicle right here. What you can do is you can go on here, click it. And you know what? I just noticed that I am not showing my screen. Well, the rates were there, but you just want to see the rates. So going back a little bit, let me go back here. Gotta love it. So if you go here to actually, this is to actually be able to see without pulling your credit what you'd be looking at payment wise. So let's say, for example, I'm looking at a new. See at Silverado. Click on that. And then I would go down to explore payments. Click on that. And this brings you right up to here where you can create your own deal. And it does it finance, cash, and lease. So to be able to calculate all of that right in there, any incentives and rebates that you may qualify is in there as well. So once again, that's a great little tool to use. I won't do the websites again, and you can actually go on to those and then look at the different rates that I mentioned to you. Didn't show you, but what I mentioned to you, you'll be able to see those and go from there and schedule your VIP appointment, 704-260-7161, 704-260-7161. Like I said, it's the last 2 days of the month. You want to make sure you get in as quick as possible. A lot of people are now buying the vehicles, and you want to get them while you got just remaining 23s left so you can save a little bit on that. Give us a call, 704-260-7161. Once again, it's the Ben Minot Concord, Ben Minot in Concord, the family of dealerships. And at this location, we've got 4 brands, GM brands, 4 brands, 2 buildings, 4 brands. Save you some money. Once again, if you have any questions, concerns, make sure you reach out to me.